Ever wondered if you can magically make a blurry video crystal clear inside Adobe After Effects CS6? Let's be clear, CS6 isn't a resolution-boosting wizard. While it's fantastic at animation and visual effects, transforming a low-quality video into a perfectly crisp one isn't its forte. Trying to do so can lead to some less than stellar results. First, let's import our existing video. Go to File, then Import, and choose your lower resolution footage. Drag this clip onto a Create New Composition icon. This opens up a new composition that matches your clip's dimensions. Now, how do we attempt an upscale? Find Options, but remember, we're aiming to enhance, not magically fabricate missing details. Let's try zooming and go to the Scale property. In the timeline, increase the scale to zoom in your clip. Be careful, watch the detail as you adjust, because scaling can introduce blur and pixelization. Especially with low-resolution footage, you'll notice how the imported low-resolution video can become pixelated. See the difference? Scaling can make the video larger in frame, but doesn't add detail. It just stretches what's already there. The best outcomes come from starting with the highest quality footage possible. CS6 thrives on working with excellent source material to create even more amazing results. If you want to achieve the best quality outcome, don't start with a low-quality input. So, can After Effects CS6 increase video resolution? To a limited extent, yes, but it won't perform miracles. Prioritize your source material for the best results. Remember to like this video if you found this tutorial helpful and subscribe to my channel for more After Effects tips.